Hey bassist, I know the light behind me is like a halo and stuff like that, but sorry, I needed it to be angled up. Also, I'm standing because my stool is outside and I don't want to get it right now. But you can stand while you're playing the bass. I like to start my bass players on the stool because it's a little bit easier to be in a good playing position when you're seated down. All right. We're going to look at numbers, page 6 today, shaping the left hand, 10 through 15, the walking song. All right, so if you look at the very beginning, it shows you kind of how to shape your hand on the bass. The way you want to do it, I don't know if you can see, it's really, really hard because of the lighting in here, but I have a line here and I have a line here on my bass, okay? So when you shape your left hand, again, it should be kind of like this glass of milk or something like that, where you bring it back and you're going to place it behind your neck, right here. You don't want to be out here where you're grabbing onto your instrument. You want to be behind the neck, all right, so that you're pressing into your thumb a little bit, okay? All right, now, if you notice too, I have my first finger on the top tape, the highest tape, and then my fourth finger on the tape that's below it, all right? So the other two fingers kind of fill in the space between, all right? So go ahead and let's practice that a few times. So find your glass of milk, drink out of your glass of milk, bring it behind you, and place your thumb on the back, kind of in between the two tapes, and then press your fingers into those two. So we're starting on the D string, so it's going to be these two strings today. So G and D. All right, those are our two strings that we're working with. The first one, we don't actually need to bother with having a string. Here, I think that you guys, maybe here, that might help you guys out. So we're going to be down here, and so place your thumb right on the fingerboard and kind of pretend like you're having an L, and you're going to play, let's read G. G is going to be this open string, and it's our highest string. It's the one that's furthest away from your body, all right? So let's find that, and go ahead and plug that. Make sure it's the right sound, all right? Now, we're going to say the rhythm of this, and then we're going to play the notes of this. And while we're saying and playing it, I like to finger what we're doing. So you actually might want to kind of have this here so you can kind of like feel the pluck of the right string, okay? So let's read G, say the rhythm first, ready, go. Ooh, excuse me. All right, I wanted to tell you anyhow, it's all quarter notes and quarter rests, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, or a sh. So rhythm first, ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, sh. 2, 3, sh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, sh. And then we're gonna say the notes. So it's gonna be G. This is the pitch that we're gonna go sing, and so it's gonna go, ready, go. G, 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 rest. G, 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 rest. G, 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 rest. All right, let's go and play it. 1, 2, ready, and go. Rest, rest, rest. All right, next note is going to be what's called an F sharp. And right in between those two exercises, it tells us what a sharp sign is. And it's that thing that looks like a hashtag. It's not a hashtag, it's a sharp sign. And a sharp raises the sound of the note, and it remains up, in effect, the entire measure. All right? Notes without sharps are called natural ones. All right, so that F sharp at the very beginning of that first measure, it stays throughout the rest of the measures, okay? So F sharp is we're going to take our left hand and put our thumb right behind here. It's going to be on the D string. So find the D string. It's the one that's our second highest string. And you're going to place your fourth finger down. Now, notice how my hand is curved and that my wrist is straight. So you're going to raise your elbow kind of where the wrist straightens up, and you're going to have a curved finger right here. You're going to have to press really, really kind of, you're going to have to really work it. The bass is a big instrument with thick strings, and so you're going to try to press through the string into the fingerboard, all right, and try to get this nice ring to it, all right. Bass, this is going to really test you guys, and it might take a while, a few weeks for you to get this F sharp to sound really nice, okay. So try it out first, then we're going to say the notes. It has the same rhythm as number 10, all right. Say the notes and practice holding this position. 1, 2, ready, and go. F, 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 rest, F, 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 rest, F, 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 rest. All right, let's get ready to go. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest. Rest. All right, now number 12, liftoff, is a little bit special, and it's going to start changing from the top string to the D string, okay? And so you're going to start with a G, and then you're going to go to an F sharp. Now, if you notice, at the very middle, when it says after the F sharp, there's a bracket that tells you to keep your fingers down when you see this bracket, all right? So when we get to that F sharp, it's going to go G, G, G. Then it's going to go F, F, F. When you go back to the G, you're going to keep that F sharp down. It's going to be tricky because in order to keep that F sharp down, you can't play that, you can't touch that G. So finger your F sharp, and while you're fingering, see if you can play the G while you're playing the F sharp, okay? It's a little bit tricky, all right? So get ready to do that. So there's also a repeat, but there's not a new rhythm. So we're gonna play number 12, we're gonna say number 12, and then we're gonna play it with a repeat. Say the notes first with me, finger along too. Ready, go. G, 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 rest. F, 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 hold it down. G, G, F, F, G, F, G, repeat. G, 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 F sharp now. F, 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 now hold it down. G, G, F, F, G, F, G. All right, let's go and play it. Number 12. 2, ready, and go. Rest. Rest. Repeat. Left hand down. Keep on going. And go ahead and check that out. That might be a little bit hard. All right, pause the video here if you need to work on number 12 a little bit, and then we're going to keep on going with number 14. All right, skipping number 13 on the trail, we're going to go to number 14. Let's read E, and this is the next note. E is going to be on with your first finger, and again, you should have a nice curved finger. It's almost like you're doing like an OK with your hand where your fingers are almost like that much on the tip. The goal is that you're on the tip of your finger, not on the pad, all right? And it might be uncomfortable at first because we're using a part of our finger that we're not used to using and we don't have a whole lot of calluses for. All right, so finger this. We're going to say the note because the rhythm's the same, and then we're going to play it. 1 and 2, and let's read E. E, 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 rest. E, 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 rest. E, 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 E. All right, get ready. So it should sound like this. And you're going to have to sink your finger right into that fingerboard, okay? 1 and 2, let's read E, go. Rest. 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 All right. Moving along, number 15. So 15 and 12 are what I'm going to be wanting to listen to when we get back, all right? So make sure that you really understand these and practice these before we get back into our ensemble setting. 15 is going to start with G, then it's going to go to F sharp, go to E, and back to F sharp, all right? We're going to say the notes and the rhythm. Now, notice that the rhythm's different. And we have to repeat. So the first time through, when we're saying the rhythm and the notes, we're going to do the rhythm. We're going to take the repeat and say the notes. After that, then we'll play the whole thing. Okay? So say the rhythm first. Ready, go. G, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now repeat. Notice I'm actually fingering the notes while we're playing. And I want you to do the same thing. Ready, go. G, G, F, F, E, E, F, E, E, F, F, G, G, G. All right, let's go and play it. 1, 2, ready, and go. Shh. Rest. Shh. All right, guys. So, go back through the video if you need any help with any of these exercises or these concepts. They're not too tricky, but it's mostly just trying to get the mechanics of the left hand down. All right. Look forward to hearing you guys soon.